think I know what I need to do. Oops. And what I need to do is not fall with my buttocks on spikes. Because spikes up the buttocks are generally considered bad for one's health. Hey there, observation team. Test subject 667 here. Welcome to my habitat and welcome to a game called A Key's Path. I was looking around on itch.io to try to find something interesting today, and Dr. Ettenboden pointed out this game, and it seems to have some interesting mechanics to it. So let's find out what they are, and let's get into it. I'm not entirely sure what will involve, but we've got a little flag, and we got a little girl with kind of cool purple hair. I think it's a little girl. Could be a dude with a man bun. I don't know. I don't judge either way, or well, let's just see what we're doing. Levels. I guess it's going to be this level. So, I can go back and forth. I can jump. Oh, good. Very important to be able to jump. Doop, 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 doop. Oh, I can use W as well to jump. I don't think I used the mouse for this. Then again, I might. What was that? Was that a squirrel? Okay. Yay! I found a flag. Oh. Can I... Oh, I can do some long jumping. Oh, nice. Hello, squirrel. Sorry, I didn't mean to almost stomp on you. Hi. What are you? What was that? Why was that? Why did I fall down? Okay, those aren't pits. Those are just different colored rocks. Okay. Oh, I do use the mouse. Alright. And now I can... Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh, oops. Okay, alright. Interesting. Okay. So, do that. Oh, wrong one. Alright, so if I do that... I'm not very good at jumping. Doing that. Okay. So, let me try this. Alright. I'm gonna have to work on my accuracy on jumping without being able to correct. Alright, interesting. Okay. So if I do that, I die. Okay. This is going to be an interesting game mechanic. And I'm going to have to learn how to do this and not die. Just do this very carefully. Alright, interesting. I bet I could use timing for this. Alright, but that... Whoa. That would... I don't have to jump. So, what if I put... Ha-ha! Okay, interesting. All right. I'm starting to get this. Oh, nice. But what if I made a little bridgey bridge? Okay, this is neat. This is interesting. Ha-ha! And I can use it to both block the thing and platform. This is cool. All right. Now, you knocked me off the last time. But maybe you're just the way to... you're the end of the level. Okay. That's cool. Interesting. And I'm guessing this is kind of the checkpoint. Okay. Oh. Alright. Put that there to block that. Put this here to block that. I can just go across. Okay. Tricky, tricky. Alright. Right. Now. Oh, how do I do this? Wait. I put that over here. Oh, oops. Didn't manage to stop. But I think I have the right idea. Okay, I'm here. Now, take this back. Put that like that. Okay. I'm getting this. This is interesting. Oh, I like this. I like this kind of puzzle. This is really cool. Okay. Now, we did this before. Alright. Now, if we put this like so. Like that. Okay. Okay. I am down with this. Oh no. Crap. But I think I know what I need to do. Oops. And what I need to do is not fall with my buttocks on spikes. Because spikes up the buttocks are generally considered bad for one's health. Alright. So. Ah! Especially when I have especially when I can't yeah. Okay. Oh. Alright. I puzzled this through. I need to block that off. Use the space bar for that. Pop that down here. Space bar over. Oh! I can't do that. Oh. Huh. Okay, what do I do here? Do I jump? Alright. I do jump. Okay. Well, that's an interesting way of finding that out, that in order to use these platforms, I have to be able to squeeze them into the space. Interesting. Okay. Oh. Let's try this first. So in order to do this, I'm gonna have to. Oh, wait. No, I can't do that. Oh, and I can't even go back. Oh, this is not good. Oh, I think I'm in a bad situation here. Okay. Oh, no, that doesn't work. Alright. Oh, wait. I think I know what to do. Just move this along. Okay, okay. Oops. Okay. We just learned a thing. Yeah. Okay, we just learned a thing. If I'm holding on to it, it doesn't block anything. I move this over here. Okay, I gotta be quick. Nope. Oh. I think I know what to do, but it's gonna take some timing. All right. Now, in order to do this, I need to get a little bit further down. No! I will get this. This should not be this difficult. Well, I say this shouldn't be this difficult. It actually is quite difficult. Timing is an issue. Made it. Okay. All right. I managed to make it past that point. That took way more tries than it really ought to have done. But at least I'm past it. Okay. Oof. Now what's this? Something about this makes me a little bit... Oh! Oh. Okay. I can't put anything there. Okay, interesting. Okay. Alright. So, in order to... Alright. Okay. Oh, whoops. Alright. Never mind. I think I know how to do it. And it's not like that. Alright. So, in order to do this, I have to... Gotta make sure there's enough room for this. There isn't yet. Alright. Just test it, make sure there's enough room. Alright. That means I need to hop on that, pop this over here, get across. Alright. These are getting more and more tricky. I like it. I might get frustrated sometimes with it, but I do like it. Alright. So if I just start here, pop that over here, drop that over here, put that right there. Now, we use timing, we might be able to get up. Nope. No. Wait a minute. Okay, okay. Oh. Okay, okay. Let's try this. Okay. All right. Okay. This is tricky, but I bet I can do it. With a bit of... Yeah, okay. Oof. Not sure how we do this, though. Can I make it all the way? I can, but I need to find a way to stop. All right. I will do this. Right. Oh, it's going to be timing. Made it. All right. Made it past that part. There had better be a flag nearby so that I can save my progress, because gosh darn it. Oh, it's the end of the level. Oh, thank goodness for that. Oh, is that it? Okay. Well. More, please. Gigaz, if that is that your name? This is really cool. This is a really awesome mechanic. I would like some more. Please, I would like more game with this mechanic. And more of these puzzles, even if I got frustrated at points. But I think this is really, really cool. Well, that was A Key's Path. This is a really, really cool game. Really interesting game mechanic. Okay, I got a little frustrated because I'm not that good at making jumps in platformers without being able to correct. And I think that's probably part of the challenge of this game, is if you're giving up your ability to correct mid-jump, you got to really be able to gauge your distance and get past certain places without jumping. And yeah, it's really cool. I would love more of this game. And if you'd like more of this game, or just enjoyed me stumbling and bumbling my way through it, please leave me a like and let me know. That really helps the channel. If you have a comment about this game or any other games I might do in the future, or know of any other games with weird, interesting, and different mechanics, leave that below too. Dr. Endmoden reads them, and he uses them to decide on what to do to me next, so send me some recommendations. If you want to join our regular observation team, and we'd love to have you, hit that big subscribe button. And if you want to try out this experiment for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. I'll see you in the next experiment. Farewell.